I think these girls have figured out the plan and are loving it. Let's get started on the coop. We got it clean for them and filled up their water and baby pool. A few of them are already on their way back in. False alarm. Haven't brought treats yet. I still have the other coop. Don't go too far, ducks. You're always the last ones in. Good morning, Nugget. Hey, Reese. Good morning, Moose. Good morning, sleeping crew. Let's get it clean in here. We got it clean for them. I'm gonna collect the eggs from the bantam coop because we didn't do that yesterday. We don't want to be growing any baby chicks. Oh, thank you. Neither one of you are on eggs. There's 2 here, so I'm gonna grab them. Have a good day, girls. You should spend it out of the nesting box. All right, girls. It's time to go back in the run. The ducks are making their way. I hope this is the last one that was out there. I found 2 more. Come on. But now that I'm calling, these ones are following me. Come on, I should have shut the gate. Coming back in. This one finally decided to come over. A little bit more scratch. There you go. Come when everyone else does tomorrow and you'll have a bunch. It looks like Evie Doll came for breakfast this morning. I already fed Charlie Cat his this morning, so he's back to napping. But I bet he won't mind some more. She's getting so brave. I don't know if she's ever been up at the top of our stairs. Charlie Cat doesn't even care that she's up here. Good morning, Dwayne. Good morning, bunnies. Good morning, honey. Good morning, Atlee. Good morning, Bridget. Are you wanting out, Dove? I'm hurrying. Good morning. Good morning, Ember. Good morning, Harlow. We got the bunnies, their hay, pellets, and water. And Honey's got his pellets, hay, and water. Have a good day, buddy. She got her belly full, and now she's on to whatever adventure she does during the day. See you tonight, Evie Doll. And Charlie Cat's just here for a cuddle. Have a good day, buddy. Bridget always lets Luca love on her. Lana too. Very rarely does she let me rub on her, so we'll pretend, Bridget, like you don't think it's Luca rubbing ya. Hey, Ember. Hey, Dove. Got an itch? Aw, Atlee, you look so sweet. Lana's giving her some loves. Hey, sweet Harlow. Taking a nap. After all that rain yesterday, They're so soft. It's like a free bath, wasn't it? Now Luca's getting all the mud out of Harlow's hooves because it's awful muddy. Felicity, are you being nice to Hallie today? Hey, Molly. Hey, Mr. Honey. The girls are getting their bunnies brushed up and loved on. Molly will get her turn in a little bit. Honey's getting to take a walk, stretch his legs. Are you taking a break and eating some snacks? Honey came to visit the bantam coop. I'm gonna collect some eggs while he's in here. Someone left this one. Do you have any under you, sister? Yep, you do. Thank you. What about you, Hershey? You have any eggs under you? One. Thank you. Honey's loving running around in here. The chickens, maybe not so much. This one in particular is letting us know she does not like whatever that new thing is. While I was out here, I went ahead and cooled off their water. I'm not bringing treats, girls. I'm just coming to collect all the eggs. Do you have any eggs under you, grumpy lady? All right. Do you have any eggs under you? Oh my goodness, so many eggs under you. Sorry, you can't do that. Ah. We've got two back here. No, you were so ornery, chicken. Hey, Dwayne. How you doing, buddy? Hey, Charlie Cat. Now Lana's picking embers. She's actually picked quite a few of them. And so was Luca, but I was just over with the chicken, so I didn't see it. Is this your last cow, Law? Luca's hanging out in the bunny area, giving them some attention if they want it, but letting them also have their space. Honey's back in his area now. Must have worn him out running all over. Luca's snugging Harlow now. She a pretty good pillow? Ember looks like she's sleeping, sitting up. Now Atlee is giving Dove rides. So maybe it's Atlee that's in heat. Or who knows, maybe they both are. Are you girls gonna be a day apart? Hey, lady. Hey, Dove. Hey, bunnies. How you doing? Honey, you look cute all flopped out there. How are you girls doing? Hey, Molly. Hallie. Hey, Felicity. The babies are enjoying Eating some grass in the shade this evening. These two are going in rounds. I don't know if Atlee's getting tired of Dove getting piggyback rides, or if Atlee's gonna start getting piggyback rides in return. She seems to be either pushing her away or putting her head up on her back like she's gonna jump up on her. Bridget's enjoying some snacks too. Hey Dwayne, what you up to, buddy? Are you gonna walk to bed on your own tonight? Doubt it? Me too. Hey Nugget. Hey Colonel. Hey Buzzerbeak. Loofah. Hey Moose. Pom Pom. Here comes Dwad. Hey Felicia. Got some cool water. Gonna come get a drink, Moose? There you go. About you, Reese? Do you need a drink, or are you just coming to see what's going on? Taking a bath, Dwad? Get yourself all good and clean. Hey girls, let's make sure you guys have enough water before bedtime. You got something to say about it, ducks? Getting their water all refilled. I dumped it out because they had made it dirty. You ready to make it dirty again, duck? For a second time today, I got all the hay area cleaned up. Wagon full. Definitely on my long list of need to do for our farm is I would love to get a cement pad laid here to put the hay on so that when it pours down rain, we don't get this puddle. It's kind of a lower area, so it kind of fills up with water and just turns into a mud mess. So I'm hoping that I'm picking it up daily and getting it to where hopefully it will dry some overnight. Unfortunately, I think we're supposed to get more rain tonight, but hopefully it'll dry a little bit before I lay their fresh hay out in the morning, and this hay won't contaminate that. Hey Dwayne, you ready for bed, buddy? Let me get all the chickens closed up, then we'll get you in there. Good night, guys. We'll see you in the morning. Poor Dwayne's girlfriend. Come on, let's go to bed. Good night, guys. We'll see you in the morning. There she goes in. Got Dwayne and we're headed over to the cow barn. I'm gonna get your stalls ready, girls. Then it'll be time for bed. We got Dwayne in his cage with his treats. And the stalls are ready, so we're gonna let the cows in. Good girl. Come on in. Good job, big girls. Good job waiting patiently, girls. Hey, Evie Doll, are you coming in to see the barn? Come on in if you want. I'm just getting everyone put to bed. Hey, bunnies. Are we ready for some bedtime treats? Here they are. You want a bedtime treat, Hallie? Hallie's looking awful big there. Maybe she should get less treats. Here's your bedtime treat, honey. I need to find a treat that he really loves because he'll take the bamboo stick. And I used to think that he did love them, but his bamboo stick from a few days ago is still back there. Have a good night, buddy. What are you complaining about, Atlee? You think you need more treats? I think you've had plenty, ma'am. Sorry. Gonna get everyone's lock on. And turn on their fan. Good night, Atlee. Good night, Bridget. Good night, Dove. Good night, Ember. Good night, Harlow. We hope you all had a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.